Hello and welcome to another edition of Tech Bites with Ron Nutter. Well, for those of you who have been following my series, you know that I'd ordered Raspberry Pi. It has come in as well as the case. So using the console cable supplied by the folks at Adafruit, and this is not a cable that I was expecting, to be perfectly honest. I'm used to the cables that you get from Cisco and other vendors. Well, this one plugs into the USB port, and it is broken out into 4 individual leads. And if you're using just, the basic Raspberry Pi without really much in it, there is a power lead that's part of the breakout that comes with it. So we can actually power up the Raspberry and not have to bring out the power supply. So for the purposes of what we're doing, I've already gotten my SD card prepared, and you've seen the post on that. So I've got the cabling ready to go. I've got the first 3 pins in place, and I'm going to hook up the power pin. The power light just went on the motherboard, and you can see now it's already starting to boot up. So we'll go through the process here, and the activity light's blinking like there's no tomorrow, and you can see the initialization process going on. So we should be up to a point here momentarily where it's going to ask us to log in, and since we're using the Raspbian image, then we use the default login of username Pi and password Raspberry. And now it's gotten into the point where we're ready to go. Now it's already telling us the next step we need to do, and that's because what we did do is run the Raspi config, and that's going to let us do one very crucial step. Now, the screen looks a little bit different than what you're used to, but I deliberately, when I'm first bringing something up, like to go in over the console port just in case something happens. So what we're going to do is select Expand Root FS because we want it to use the entire card that we've got. And it's already resized the partition, so we'll hit OK. And we'll go down here and say Finish. And yes, we want to reboot. And it'll pause here for just a moment, and it's already starting to work its magic. And it looks like we're just about through, so this is going at a very respectable pace. And what you can't see because of the way we have this hooked up is the activity light is blinking at a almost constant pace where it looks like it's on solid, but it just every once in a while you'll see just the most mildest of flickers. And looks like we're about to finish here with the way it's acting. And there we go. So we will log in, and okay, we're done. So that took just a few minutes, and now I'm ready to start learning some more about the different things that the Raspberry Pi can do, and you'll see some more posts coming up in the next days and weeks. Thank you for taking the time to watch. And again, this has been another edition of Tech Bites with Ron Nutter, and you can read more about this and a little bit more of the background on it on my website at www.ronnutter.com. Thank you for watching.